Hello everybody, welcome to Wealth Window. In this video, we will explore the essential skills needed to read a profit and loss P&L income statement quickly and effectively. Understanding a P&L statement is crucial for anyone looking to enhance their financial literacy, whether you're a business owner, investor, or simply someone interested in personal finance. By mastering this skill, you can make informed decisions that impact your financial future. We will break down the key components of a P&L statement, highlighting revenue, expenses, and net profit, while providing tips to streamline your reading process. The ability to interpret these financial statements swiftly can lead to better budgeting, improved investment strategies, and a clearer understanding of a company's performance. Join us as we unlock the secrets to reading P&L statements fast, empowering you to take control of your financial journey with confidence. Step 1. Identify the key components of a P&L income statement. To effectively read a P&L income statement, it's essential to identify its key components: revenue, expenses, and net income. Revenue represents the total income generated from sales or services, serving as a vital indicator of a business's ability to attract customers. Common sources of revenue include product sales, service fees, and subscription income. Next, we have expenses, which encompass all costs incurred in running the business, such as salaries, rent, and utilities. Understanding expenses is crucial as they directly impact profitability. Finally, net income, calculated by subtracting total expenses from total revenue, reveals the company's profitability over a specific period. This figure is significant for assessing overall business performance and making informed financial decisions. By grasping these components, you can gain valuable insights into a company's financial health and operational efficiency. Step 2. Analyze the revenue section. Analyzing the revenue section of a P&L income statement is crucial for understanding a business's financial performance. Start by interpreting total revenue and examining growth trends over time. Consistent growth in revenue indicates a healthy business, while fluctuations may signal underlying issues. It's also important to distinguish between gross and net revenue. Gross revenue reflects total sales before any deductions, while net revenue accounts for returns, discounts, and allowances. This distinction helps you assess the true income generated by the business. Additionally, identifying recurring versus one-time revenue streams can provide deeper insights. Recurring revenue, such as subscription fees or service contracts, offers stability and predictability, while one-time revenue from special projects or sales can be less reliable. By focusing on these aspects, you can better evaluate a company's revenue sustainability and overall financial health, guiding your investment or business decisions effectively. Step 3. Examine the expenses section. When examining the expenses section of a P&L income statement, it's essential to break down expenses into fixed and variable categories for clarity. Fixed expenses, such as rent and salaries, remain constant regardless of business activity, providing a stable baseline for budgeting. In contrast, variable expenses like utilities and raw materials fluctuate with production levels, impacting overall profitability. Monitoring operating expenses versus non-operating expenses is also crucial. Operating expenses are directly related to the core business activities, while non-operating expenses, such as interest payments or losses from asset sales, can distort the true financial picture. Common examples of expenses include salaries for employees, rent for office space, and utility bills, all of which significantly affect the bottom line. By understanding these distinctions, you can better assess a company's cost structure and identify areas for potential savings, ultimately enhancing financial decision-making. Step 4. Calculate the net income. Calculating net income is a crucial step in understanding a company's financial health. The formula is straightforward. Net income equals total revenue, total expenses. This figure represents the profit or loss a business has generated over a specific period, providing a clear snapshot of its financial performance. A positive net income indicates that a company is profitable, which can lead to reinvestment opportunities, increased shareholder confidence, and potential for growth. Conversely, a negative net income signals losses, prompting management to reassess strategies, cut costs, or explore new revenue streams. Net income significantly influences business decisions. For instance, a strong net income may encourage a company to expand operations, hire more staff, or invest in marketing. On the other hand, consistent losses might lead to budget cuts or restructuring efforts. Understanding net income empowers stakeholders to make informed decisions that align with the company's financial goals. Step 5. Interpret the P&L statement in context. Interpreting the P&L statement in context is essential for gaining a comprehensive understanding of a company's financial performance. Start by comparing the current P&L with previous periods to identify trends. This comparison can reveal growth patterns, seasonal fluctuations, or potential red flags that require attention. Utilizing industry benchmarks is also crucial for performance evaluation. By comparing your company's P&L with similar businesses, you can assess whether your financial metrics are competitive or if adjustments are needed. For deeper analysis, consider using financial ratios, such as profit margins, which provide insights into how efficiently a company converts revenue into profit. A higher profit margin indicates better cost management and pricing strategies. By interpreting the P&L statement in context, you can make informed decisions, identify areas for improvement, and strategically position the business for future success. Step 6. Summarize findings and insights. Summarizing findings and insights from your P&L analysis is vital for effective decision-making. Encourage viewers to take notes on key insights, as this will help solidify their understanding and facilitate future discussions. When presenting findings to stakeholders, clarity and conciseness are essential. Use visual aids like charts and graphs to illustrate trends and comparisons, making the data more accessible and engaging. Highlight the most significant insights, such as changes in revenue growth or expense management, to capture attention. Examples of actionable insights derived from the P&L statement might include identifying areas where costs can be reduced, recognizing profitable product lines that warrant further investment, or adjusting pricing strategies based on profit margins. By summarizing these findings effectively, you empower stakeholders to make informed decisions that can enhance the company's financial performance and drive future growth. In this video, we explored the essential steps to read a P&L income statement. We emphasized the importance of identifying key components, analyzing revenue and expenses, and calculating net income. Understanding these elements is crucial for achieving financial success, as they provide valuable insights into a company's performance and profitability. We encourage viewers to practice reading P&L statements regularly to enhance their financial literacy and decision-making skills. The more familiar you become with these statements, the better equipped you'll be to assess business health and make informed choices. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who may benefit from these financial tips. Together, we can empower more individuals to take control of their financial futures and navigate the complexities of financial statements with confidence. Thank you for watching, and take care.